look at how fine this pepper is. Mira. Mira. So she's using Misha, you want to carry her from there? Oh yeah, wait, leave her first. So I used these wrappers to wedge her so that she can sit properly. If you are in Nigeria, you will understand this. This is what our mothers did for us. I learned this when my mother came from Congo. So this was how she kept Michelle. And now I have Mira, so I had to okay, let me practice the method. So, and there's no sitter in this house. I had to use this. She's enjoying it. I use this rubber to put this wrapper around it and wedge it so that she can sit. So you guys, this is the local way here in Nigeria, here in Africa. So she's sitting there. I'm going to carry her now to go and get the scent leaf. You guys, I just loosed Michelle's hair now. Today I loosed it now. I made the hair before. As short as this hair, I don't know I could make it. So I just did it normal akara, normal round akara. And it got scattered that same day. So I loosed it. See, there's dog there. That is why she's scared. This dog, that's why she's shaking up and down like jellyfish. So let's go. Bye bye. She says bye to the dog. Bye to the dog, Abby. Okay. Hi. We are going to get scent leaf. You guys, we just got to the farm now, and this is plantain they have, and I'm going to meet the owner of this place to give me some scent leaf. See, they have pepper, they have pineapple, they have cassava. It's just a farm. They have various things here they planted. So I'm going to need them now to give me scent leaf. And I believe, okay, no, this is not scent leaf. This is water leaf. They have water leaf. They have ugu. That's vegetable ugu. Ugu vegetable. Water leaf. Different things here. So I'm not sure they are at home. I'm not sure they are at home. Look at this pepper. The pepper has already started bearing. See, I planted pepper at my backyard then, but we left it, so it died the last time I went to the house. Look at how fine this pepper is. I'm going to plant another pepper. I'm just going to do small farm like this and grow my own things because I like growing my own things. Look at another pepper. This is red one. I don't know if you can see it closely. Then come closer. See, red pepper. Then this one is yellow pepper. Yellow pepper. It's like this is even scent leaf, but it has totally dried up. The harmattan has dried it up. This one, not this one. This is the ugu vegetable that has cropped it. The harmattan has dried it up. Knock, knock. Who the house? Who the house? I'm not sure they are at home. It has been long as I saw things like this. Look at this grinding stone. It was when I was in my mother's house. That was when we were using grinding stone. When I got to my house, no more grinding stone. Yeah, see. African stuff. You can cook in this place like this. Fry gari here. Do normal big party food here. use that grinding stone. Grinding stone food is sweet separately. It has its own taste. But let me go to the front. I've checked around. I didn't see them, but let me see what I can do to get the scent leaf, because I need the scent leaf for this banga soup recipe. And if I don't get it, maybe we are just going to improvise and do something else for our soup. Michelle is feeling herself. She's enjoying this stroke. Come. You fell on the floor. Sorry. Don't run, no, don't run. Come. Look at lemongrass. I'm still looking for the scent leaf. Okay, there's scent leaf at the back. I just saw scent leaf now. This is scent leaf everywhere. Scent leaf. So big. Scent leaf. It's plenty. It's also there. So I'm going to take from the end now. Just small we need, not that much, just small. Going to cut this one and use for this soup. Let me take enough so that I won't have to come back again and look for more. Michelle, stay there, I'm coming. Oh, just stay there, I'm coming. See, having farm is so good. When you have farm close to you or in your house, you tend to eat natural things. Garden for natural things. Food like this, you eat good food, natural things, and I like I like it. I'm going to plant this when I go to my home. I'm going to definitely plant scent leaf. You can see how fresh the scent leaf is. So fresh. But when you buy in the market, it's not as fresh as this. This one benefits of having garden close to you or in your house, in your compound. At my former place, I don't have this, and Michelle cannot stroll like this on the sand. So benefits. So you guys, the owner of this scent leaf, I just plucked now. They were not at home, but I ended up collecting it because they are my Christian brother and sister. Okay, so even though they were at home, they would have given me the go ahead to take it. So that's why I collected it, because they have a lot there. I thought they don't have, but the minute I went further, I saw a lot of scent leaf there, and yeah, I collected this few one because I need it to prepare that banga soup I want to show you guys. Okay, so not much, just this small one, and it will do the work. Yeah, so let's go and prepare our soup. And when they come back in the evening, because I'm sure they've left for their normal daily hustle, daily business, daily work, daily hustle, you understand? So I'm sure they've left for that, and when they come back in the evening, I'm still going to meet them and tell them that, Mommy, Daddy, I collected some of your scent leaves so that man not go chop until they not give me permission to chop. Okay, you understand? So in the evening, I'm going there to meet them. So yeah, this is the banga. If you don't, in this pot. So this is the banga. If you don't know what banga is, banga is palm nuts, palm fruit, whichever one you choose. So this is it. And they've already bought it yesterday, so it's soft. And but before I start pounding, I'm going to boil it again so that it will be hot and I can use it while it's hot. So I'm going to boil it now, but before then I dey cook rice and I want chop. See, before I start to cook banga soup, so I need to like eat first. Hungry won't finish me. So yeah. So you guys, I'm boiling the banga here now, and I'm just going to off it now so that it does not get burnt, because I'm going to you can see it's boiling, because I'm going to pan it inside this pot. So I'll turn off the gas now and start pounding it immediately, because this is where the bulk of the work come from in preparing this soup. So yeah, I'm just going to start pounding now. This is what I'm using to mash this banga, this palm fruit, this small piece in here, and I'm going to mash it inside. See, I just finished eating now and I'm so tired. I'm forcing myself to come and cook this food. I don't know where this happens to. Anytime I finish eating and I have work to do, oh god, I'll be so lazy to do the work because I've eaten. But if I'm not eating, I can easily do the work. I see there's still water inside, so I'm just going to sieve it out and then pound. So whenever you are cooking before you cook your palm fruit or banga, please wash it, because this needs to have sand. I was not the one that bought it yesterday, so I'm not sure they washed. I don't know if they washed it before boiling, because touching the pot now I can feel some sand on it. So that's why I removed it from the pot totally to raise the pot. So just wash for easy, so that you not end up eating sand. Wash it before cooking. So I don't know if they washed it, but I felt some sand. That's why I removed it and started roasting. Look at the plenty juice that came out from this, and this is what we are using to cook our banga soup. So if you don't know how to cook banga soup, this is what we need. This is the reason for all the washing of the palm fruits. Yeah, so this is what we need, and I'm going to set this now. I'm going to put this now on the stove to start cooking. This is what we need now. So after putting it in the fire, that is when the main cooking starts. Okay. So yeah, I'm just going to do that now. This is the mortar I'm going to be using to pound everything I need to mash it. The spices, my pepper, this mortar. So this is the spices you need for your banga soup. This round one, but they have already blended spices in the market. So if you can't get this one, let me come closer. See, this is how it is. And there's another one that is flat, so you can add that one to it also. This round one like this, this round one like this, and the flat one. So I'm going to match this now in this mortar. If you're using blender, you can just blend everything. Blend it with your pepper and your onions, instead of matching it like this. See, I'm adding it now to the soup. The soup was boiling before, but I turned off the stove because I've not started matching. I went to breastfeed Mira, so now I just turn off the stove, and I'm going to add everything I need to add before I turn it on. So you guys, I was supposed to add this long, not so that long, this spices. If you know it, you know it, but I don't know the name for these spices. I was supposed to add it, but I'm not adding it in this one because see, I cannot use this small mortar to match this one. So this one is there's a different tactics to it, there's a different way you do it. I'm going to eat it, then I'll use blender to blend it. So I'm going to show you guys another video. Maybe I'm going to do a different recipe on this for you guys to see how to use this for your banga soup and add your scent leaf to it. But for today, I'm not using these spices, okay? And yeah, so I'm going to do a different video on that to show you guys how you can achieve using this for your banga soup. I'm going to tend to my scotch bonnet pepper and match it and add it to the soup. This how it's looking, and I'm done. I'm going to add it like this to the soup. I'm not mashing it more than this. Add it here. Yes, big sister duty. Mira, you're smiling. Your sister carried it. Misha carried Mira. Carried Mira. Come down, don't play with it. Misha wants to eat. Thank you, Jehovah, for my food. In Jesus' name. Amen. Say amen. Amen. You guys, the food is almost ready, so I'm going to add the scent leaf now. That's the vegetable, that's the last thing that needs to be added, and my seasoning cubes and my salt, and the food is ready. Okay, so let's just go to the kitchen. So now I'm going to add the scent leaf.